This channel went from nothing to millions of views per month in less than 12 months after creation date. They achieved this by posting simple 15-second videos like this that are insanely popular and get millions of views, and each of these videos takes less than 30 minutes to create. When I saw this wild success that other channels are getting on YouTube Shorts, I decided to try publishing YouTube Shorts on my channel, and the results honestly were crazy and surprised me. Many of my shorts exploded and got hundreds of thousands of views, and the result was thousands of dollars a month on different platforms. So today I want to show you guys how you can also make money with YouTube Shorts. The strategy I'm going to show you today works in any niche, but for the purposes of the video, I had to choose a niche, and for today's video, I've chosen the motivation niche. The channel that we're going to be analyzing today is this channel here called Be Positive. The channel was only set up on the 4th of February 2022, but they have had so many videos already that have hit multiple millions of views. Look at these: 7 million, 4.8 million, 3.1 million. Their videos are extremely simple. Check this out. I'm going to play one for you. This is the video and it's only 8 seconds long, and it's just the footage of this person running with some text. Gonna play a quick snippet of it. That's basically what it is. And anyone can create videos like this. They don't take very long because it's an 8-second video with just some stock standard footage. And as you can see, this is extremely effective. These videos are getting millions and millions of views. And how do these channels make money from these videos? They put links in the description of the videos where they're promoting various things. For example, this channel has got an Amazon store, so you can actually click on this Amazon link and you can buy these motivational posters. And if someone watches this video and clicks on this Amazon store link and then ends up buying any of these posters or motivational books, then the owner of this channel is going to make a commission on each of the purchases. So it's extremely smart and very well monetized for this niche. I'm actually going to show you guys how to make even more money than this channel is making. I'm going to show you another trick that you can use to maximize your earnings. So keep watching. I'm going to get to that in just a moment. Step 2 is to create the video. And to do that, you can use any software that you prefer. For example, canva.com has got a free tier as well as a pro tier, and it's going to be great for you to create the video. Second option is the Blackmagic Design DaVinci Resolve. It's actually a 100% free video editing software, which is also amazing. The option that I'm going to use today is InVideo, and the reason why I'm going to be using InVideo for this process is because for these type of videos, the motivational videos, InVideo is actually perfect. They've got a free tier which you can register for and try to make a video. It just won't allow you to export it. But there are also a business and an unlimited tier, and the business tier is actually really good value because it gives you access to over 1 million premium media, and this is just going to be really helpful if you're trying to create the sort of videos that I'm going to teach you how to create today. You can use my link in the description below to sign up to InVideo free plan, or if you decide to go for the business plan, there's actually a coupon code there as well for the 25% discount. Once you're inside the InVideo dashboard, this is what you're going to see, and you can click here on this option editor, click the plus button and choose the dimension of the video that you want to create. Because we're going with YouTube Shorts, you will want to choose this portrait orientation. So let's click that, and it's going to load the editor for you, which is going to be empty to start with. Don't worry about uploading your media files. You can just close that. And you've now got the dreaded empty screen, and you're probably going, okay, what do I do now? What do I make? In general, it's a good idea to get your inspiration from other successful videos from successful channels. So let's do this. Let's just basically go through this Be Positive channel, find out what worked for them, and create our own version, maybe even a better version of a similar video. So let's just dissect this video here, Be Stronger motivational quotes. So we can kind of take a look at what they've done, analyze what they've done, and do something similar. So we've got some images of basically a person running through nature, and there is a motivational quote. Okay, so what I would personally do is I would just search for motivational quotes because I don't want to copy this channel. I've literally Googled motivational quotes, and you can review any of these results, but I actually quite like this one. Look at this: opportunities don't happen, you create them. So this is something we can work with. Okay, so we've got our quote, opportunities don't happen, you create them. Now we need to find some images that will go with this quote. This is where InVideo I mentioned comes in very handy and useful, because they have these areas of videos and images that you can use, and there is already a ton of images and a ton of videos in there that you can use as your own for free or you can even use premium images and premium videos if you've got the business subscription. So let's find a couple of videos that we can use in our motivational video. Let's go to videos over here, and in the search bar, we can start searching for something like success as an example. Let's see what comes up. Under my filters, you've actually got a few different options. So I would choose all the different sources that you've got, and here you can choose for license free or premium. Of course, if you're in the premium plan, you're going to get a lot more options, but I'm just going to show you what is available on the free license. So let's go license, free, apply. And these are all the different videos that you can use as your own, unlimited in your videos that InVideo already provides for you. So this is what I was talking about or referring to when I said that InVideo is actually really convenient for this type of videos. So maybe the first video we can use maybe about 4 or 5 seconds of this lady kind of thinking about something. So let's just click the plus to add the video, and then we're gonna click add to actually add that video into our timeline. It might just take a moment to populate. Okay, so here we go. It's now populated and we've got it here. It's about, we can see that it's 15 seconds long, which is probably a bit too long for us. We want it to be, let's say, about 5 seconds. Okay, so we're just gonna make it a little bit shorter. Now let's just zoom out like this. So this is the first video of this lady essentially just thinking. Let's just play this to get a little preview. Okay, so there's almost no movement, but there is a little bit of movement there. So this is fine for us. Just want to click on here and make this a little bit bigger because we are making a vertical video, right? So we want it to fill the whole screen like this. Okay, here we go. And we need the second clip, and the second clip we want to end with something where we're basically saying like success. So someone cheering or someone being quite happy. So maybe for this second part of the video, we can use this. Let's preview this. All right, so there's a person kind of cheering and fist pumping. So this will work. Let's click add, and let's click that to be right after our first clip. Again, let's look at the length. So we had about 5 seconds of the first, and we probably want about 5 seconds of the second. So let's just drag that back. We'll make this about 5 seconds long, put them one after another like this. And here we've got, so we've got 10 seconds total length. We just need to do the same thing, make this vertical like this, and let's play this to make sure that it is all working together. All right, so we're gonna have the first part of the motivational text, and here is gonna be the second one. All right, so this is looking pretty good. Now we just need to work with the text, and let's go into the text area of InVideo, and you can pretty much use any of these. I'm gonna start with add a heading. Let's place that in the center, and we're going to put this first part of the quote, opportunities don't happen. Okay, so let's put that in. Let's go to this box and enter that in, and I probably want it to appear as follows. So we want to like stress that opportunities don't happen. Let's put happen on the next line. And for our font, we want something that is more vertical, like this font over here. Let's see if we can find something. So something like this will work fine. Let's just make the font a little bit smaller. So perhaps we go with 80. All right, like this is starting to look pretty good to me. Opportunities don't happen. One thing that we will need to do now is this text doesn't actually stand out. So what you'll probably want to do is just change the video. So let's go to the video, and then we can adjust colors of the video. See over here. Let's close filters, then open creative, and you want to play with opacity. So we can make it darker, a little bit darker. This way, see, the text actually pops a lot more. And this is making it more similar to this video that we are trying to recreate. All right, so now the text is very nicely visible. Opportunities don't happen. So we want to put this text into the second part, and let's just duplicate it. So right click on it, click duplicate, and then drag this part of the text over this second video clip. And we will now want to say here, you create them like this. Okay, so let's again edit this, paste that in here, and we will want to say you, then in capitals, create them. All right, Again, we will want to go in, and to make it pop more, we will want to change the opacity of the underlying clip. So just go to adjust colors, and where it says creative, again, change the opacity, all right, to make it pop more like this. And let's play it again to see what we've done. So here we've got opportunities don't happen. You create them. All right, what we're missing now is some kind of cool music, and maybe this was a little bit long as well. So let's just see if we can shorten this to maybe about 4 seconds, like this. Let's just move that over. All right, we just need some motivational kind of music now, and luckily in InVideo we've got that covered as well. So you can go to music in InVideo. So you can browse here by genre or by category, or you can even just use your search, and you can search for something like inspiring and epic. It'll have both of those keywords in the description of the melody. So I've done a little bit of research on this as I was preparing for the video, and I think this one is pretty good, the epic inspiration. I'm just gonna show you the little preview of it, how it starts, and then it's important to make sure that you time the build with the second slide so that the music kind of goes together with what's shown in the video. So let's preview this. Okay, so there's kind of a build, but what I'm looking for the second build for it to really kick in. This was the one, so let's just add that, and we'll need to do a little bit of editing. So let's click plus. All right, so now we've got that over here. The music clip got cut to the length of your video, but don't worry, just drag this out. You can zoom out a little bit more, and you can actually see the waveform, and you can see where the second build really kicks in. So we want this part to coincide with where the second clip starts. So let's just drag this to make it shorter over here, and we'll need to position it carefully. All right, so let's just zoom in a bit more. And now what we want this second part where it kind of drops to be aligned with the second clip. And let's just now drag this to the start. Now we don't need the rest of it, okay, because now the music is a bit too long. Let's just shorten this, and pretty much we're done. Let's just see how all of it looks together. Let's hit preview. So this is basically it. I mean, I think it's pretty cool, and look how quick it was for us to create. And guys, if you thought this was too simple, this works. You've got proof 100% that this works. You can find thousands of channels that are getting millions of views on videos like this. All you've got to do now is upload it onto your channel, give it a nice viral title, make sure that you put in the keyword, which is motivational quotes, into the title of the video. So just get inspiration from what other channels do. Also make sure that you put in motivational quotes as well as these hashtags into the description of your video. And now the most important part, which is monetization. How do you actually make money from this? You can absolutely do what this channel does, which is driving the traffic to your Amazon store and then make money as an Amazon affiliate from all of the purchases that anyone makes through your store. An even better option is to go and get an account at ClickBank. This is a marketplace which lists a lot of products that pay very high commissions. You can search by categories here. And if you look in the motivational and transformational category, there are products that will be 100% suitable to these kind of videos. For example, this one here, Mind Zoom Affirmations Subliminal Software. And look at this, they're paying $38 per sale. $38 a sale, which is really crazy because this is very high commission compared to what you can make on Amazon. So what you'd want to do here is grab your affiliate link. So click promote and then create your hop link. Copy this hop link into your dashboard. It's quite long and quite ugly. You want to create a nicer looking version. So go into bit.ly and then click create new link. Insert this link over here and then click create in the bottom right, and that will give you a nice short link. All right, now we've got this bit.ly and you can copy and paste this link into the description. It'll look a lot better and people will watch your video. A lot of them will go into the description, and about 1% of the people I know from my stats will end up clicking through on the links that are in your description. And once they make a purchase via your link of this product, you will make an average of $38 commission. If you guys want to grab my free affiliate marketing guide, you can do that. Just click the links in the description below or go to contentdough.com. You'll see a page like this. Enter your name and email. I will actually email you. The free guide will be sent to your email automatically after you opt in. I will send you the guide automatically after you enter your name and email and click get instant access. After the opt-in, you'll also get redirected to a page like this. This is our YouTube course where we teach strategies similar to this as well as others. There is a coaching group that's included where a lot of people are already finding success with similar strategies. So if that's something that interests you, it's totally optional, but if something that interests you, you guys are very welcome to join. There is a $77 one-time payment. There's a $77 special right now on this course. So you guys are welcome to check it out. If you don't want it, just close it, all good. I will still send you that guide via the email. And if you're in the mood for another one of my videos, then watch this video over here next. It's a similar concept to what I've shown you earlier in this video, but just in a different niche. It'll give you a different idea of what kind of videos you can create. So go ahead, watch it. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.